Learn how to manually create bank statement lines and mark them as reconciled to record transactions when bank feeds and imports aren't available. In this video, we teach you how to record and reconcile petty cash transactions. First, ensure you've set up petty cash as a bank account in the chart of accounts. From the home page, click the cash account you've set up. Xero takes you to the Account Transactions tab of the account, where you can see all reconciled and unreconciled transactions. To add business expenses paid from the cash account, click New Transaction. Use till receipts or other paperwork to complete the transaction details in the fields Xero opens up. Xero defaults to a New Spend Money transaction, which is correct for entering expenses paid by cash. Enter the contact name in the To field. For example, we'll enter Costco, as that's the store we purchased the items from. Update the date to match the till receipt date. In this case, we'll change the date to the 5th of August. Enter an optional reference if relevant. Then, enter a description of the items bought. If you purchase multiple items, which can be categorized to the same code, you can enter them on one line. If you've purchased multiple items, but you need to categorize them differently, add a new line for each category of expense. For example, we purchased some stationery and some consumables for the staff room, so we'll need to split the amount into 2 lines. In this example, we'll add the description as office stationery, pens, paper, and envelopes, a quantity of 1, the unit price as $27.86, being the total of the stationery items for the till receipt. We'll choose office expenses as the account and check we're happy with the tax rate. Then, click Add New Line to enter the other expenses for the staff room. The description as kitchen consumables, milk, tea, coffee, a quantity of 1, the unit price as $21.78. We'll choose general expenses as the account for these small incidental costs and check the tax rate. Finally, check the total to ensure it agrees to the till receipt. Then click Save to record the transaction. You'll see the transactions in the list, showing as unreconciled. Continue to add costs paid from petty cash until you've recorded all the transactions. Once you've recorded the transactions, you need to manually reconcile them. Before you can manually reconcile transactions in bulk, you need to enable a feature. Click the Help icon in the top right of the page. At the bottom of the menu, select the Enable Mark as Reconciled toggle. Then click the cross to close the menu. Use the checkbox on the left-hand side to select multiple transactions. Then, click More. Select the Mark as Reconciled option. Xero shows a warning to only manually reconcile transactions where bank data can't be imported. When you're happy, click Mark as Reconciled. You'll see the transactions have a green Reconciled status rather than an orange Unreconciled status. It's a good idea to check the actual cash in the petty cash tin and agree to the balance showing in Xero to ensure you've added all the business expenses paid in cash. It's important to only manually record and mark as reconciled transactions for cash transactions when you can't import bank statement lines into Xero.